Hi. Over the years, you've probably seen some of my videos where I make sport references to the accuracy of your embouchure, the air trajectory. In fact, one of the articles I wrote for Philip Biggs for Brass Herald, I started off talking about a footballer that missed the goal by quite a bit. But you can guarantee he didn't miss the ball by that much, only that much, only that much. So with the mouthpiece being so small and your aperture being so fine, just lately, an incredible young man, a darts player called Luke Littler, they call him Luke the Nuke, has won an incredible amount of championships with the darts. He's been playing from an early age. But we're back to this trajectory. One little slip and it's in the wrong place on the dartboard. One little slip and then we have a snooker reference, then you miss the pot. One little slip. So think about it. The size of the mouthpiece, the width. Think about it. The size of your mouthpiece, the aperture of your lips would soon send the note here instead of there or in there. Stream and downstream playing. But if we can just adjust your air with a micro adjustment to get the air away from metal. I say to a lot of players, they're playing with metal on flesh. And you say, well, it is metal on flesh. I know, but there's only so much surface tension can be gained. The Stratos Performer allows you to alleviate that pressure. Have a look at it here. I hope this has been some help to you, to feel that you have got some help. It's very rarely age. It's more adjustment of the air. The air has become slightly out of alignment, and I have the device, and I dreamt it, to help you realign the air so you'll play a lot freer. You'll be able to play the notes that you've been wanting to for years with more freedom than you thought possible. I'm Marcus Reynolds, stratosbrass.com. Get in touch with any question of your embouchure. Get in touch. I'm here for you. Bye-bye. Oh, before I go and watch one of these videos. I never know where they are, either there or videos together, because you requested. That took hours to put together. Give me a subscribe and a like if you watch them on YouTube. Please give me a subscribe and a like. We're trying to get to more players to help them with issues that they don't need to be suffering from. You really don't. So, Marcus Reynolds, stratosbrass.com. Get your Stratos today and let's see what you say about it within minutes of trying it. Bye-bye. Bye. Don't forget, subscribe and a like. Bye.